Students, all of what we're describing here is an opportunity for you to discover what you can be, what you can become, what you can study.
I genuinely love the people, and the whole environment is such a community and a family. I always felt welcomed. It's a great education, and again, the community aspect really made me love Canisius in that one. So
it's the college to choose because of its commitment to excellence, its rich relationships with local corporations, its outstanding faculty, and as President Hurley said, its promise to develop you to your fullest